Hi, first graders. Today we're going to be talking about the relationship between addition and subtraction and how they're similar. So today is 2-9, connecting addition and subtraction. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first graders, what I want you to do is write 6 at the top of this part whole mat that you see here. What this says is that there's supposed to be 6 in the whole thing. That's the whole number. I would also like you to draw 4 counters on this side. We also know one part. However, we don't know this part. So if you need to pause this video here to get this down, do so. If not, let's move on. Now you know we have not been able to get to 6 yet. We're at 4, so we have to keep drawing. So everybody put 4 in your head. And let's continue to count on. Ready? Let's go. 4, 5, keep going. 6, stop, we're there. So how many's on this side? That's right, 4. And there's 2 on this side. Let's go ahead and look at the subtraction sentence we have here. We always start with a whole number when we subtract. So that's correct. Take away, we'll just go ahead and put our parts down. 4 and 2. We know that in a subtraction sentence, the parts go at the end. So let's make this one look different. Okay, we already have the 6. So let's put the 2 here and then the 4 here. Okay, so in this sentence, we have a 6, 4, and 2. Well, the addition sentence is the same, except now the whole number is at the end and the parts come here. You could put 2 and 4, or you could put 4 and 2. I'm going to put 4 and 2, or you could put 2 and 4. Okay, so in this fact family, we have 6, 4, and 2. When we subtract, the 6 is first. When we add, the 6 is last, and the parts are first. So it's the complete opposite of addition, or it's the complete opposite of subtraction. See, when we subtract, the parts are at the end, and when we add, the parts are in the beginning. Okay, let's go ahead and flip to the inside. Guided practice. So the first part is done for us. In the fact family, we have 6, 1, and 5. So you know that the 6 is the whole number, and when you subtract, it goes first. See, first and first. But when you add, it's the opposite, and it goes at the end, and then your parts are in the beginning. Okay, so trace over this if you like. Pause it here if you'd like to. Then let's go on to number 2. First, let's have a conversation about what we see here. What's the whole number? Yes, it's 7 at the top. And then the parts are what? Oh, in the formation, 5 and 2. Where does the whole number go when you subtract? Beginning or end? That's right, it goes in the beginning. Here's another subtraction sentence. So right away, I'm going to put the 7 in the beginning. And here we're adding, we're getting bigger. 7 goes at the end. Now, boys and girls, all you do is just put the parts at the end and the parts in the beginning. So let's just jot them down. They're there for us, 5 and 2. Let's make this one different, 2 and 5. Okay, so all the numbers that were in the part whole have to be in the sentences. Here, I think I'm going to do 2 and 5, but you could do 5 and 2. All right, look at the addition and subtraction sentences below. How are the numbers alike? How are they different? Well, let's see. 8, yep, 8's over here. 2, yep, 2's over here. 6, yes, 6 is over here. So they're in a different order, aren't they? Yep, like I said, subtracting right here, we have the whole first, whole last when we add. Okay, so you don't need to write anything. I want you to understand, boys and girls, that they are in a different order, but they are the same numbers. Okay, let's go to the independent part. It is independent time, which means I would like you to pause the video right here, and I would like for you to do these problems, okay? Don't cheat. Pause the video right here, right now, go. Okay, is this what you have? Now remember, you could have put 3 and 5 here and that would have been okay, or 2 and 7. Okay, let's go on to the algebra. Don't let that scare you. 3 plus what will give us 6? That's really what that says. 3 plus what will give us 6? If you want, you can draw a part whole model, or you can put 3 in your head and keep going until you get to 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we had to put 3 and 3 together to get 6. But maybe you knew that because it's a double. Okay, now look right here. This is subtraction. So you know the whole number goes here, okay? Which means, boys and girls, you could do the opposite. You could turn this problem around. 3 was last, so now let's make 3 first. Okay, and 3, we're going to put these in the beginning. What does 3 plus 3 equal? 6, that's right. So 6 goes here. All right, turn to the back. Problem solving. Rita has 5 counters, okay? Tim gives her more. Oh, that means we don't know what the other part is. Now Rita has 8 counters. So this is our whole number. Where does it belong? Okay. How many counters did Tim give her? Draw counters in the model, then write subtraction and addition sentences. Okay, boys and girls. So remember, 8 was the whole thing. 5 was the part we knew. Now I'm not gonna draw more from here. I'm gonna have you do it. You know that 5 is a part. You know you have to get to 8. Okay, when you find out what the other part is, you'll be able to write your sentences. Remember, whole numbers first. Okay, Dan has 4 counters, okay? He hides some counters, okay? Now Dan has 2 counters. How many counters did Dan hide? I'll give you a clue, boys and girls. That was the whole number. You're looking for a subtraction sentence that tells about this story. Journal, write a subtraction sentence. Write another subtraction sentence with the same numbers. Write an addition sentence with the same numbers. So boys and girls, you could write any subtraction sentence you want, and then you're going to flip it and have the same numbers in there. For instance, I'm going to do one, but you're not allowed to do this one, okay? You got to choose your own. I'm going to do 8 take away 3. 8 take away 3 is 5. So I have to write one more. Well, the only way I'm going to make this look different and still keep my numbers is by putting 5 there and 3. And then I'm going to take the parts, here they are at the end, make an addition sentence. So you use your own numbers. Don't use 3, 5, and 8. Those are mine, okay? All right. I'll see you guys later.